et champion olympique. En rouge, représentant Cuba.
You have just witnessed history. Not only has Bian Lopez become the first five-time Olympic champion in wrestling, he is the first athlete in Olympic history in any sports to win gold medals in 5 consecutive Olympic Games in the same event. And his name is